There were 150 plus canners in Indiana at one point, and through hard work and making quality products, we're the last one standing.
We were a seasonal cannery. We knew our growth couldn't depend just on a seasonal harvest. It had to be a 52-week operation.
When my dad bought the company from my grandfather, I think he had just 8 full-time employees. We never wanted to be the biggest, we just wanted to be the best, and now we're at over 1,300.
I just remember being attached to the field, from picking out and selecting the seed, walking the crop, and being part of the harvest, turning right around and seeing that crop in the factory.
We're harvesting only the best tomatoes, sorting them in the field twice, gently bring them into the facility. We probably sort them at least 10 times. We're so meticulous about each process. Any day, I would put a can of Red Gold next to our competitor. Any can off the shelf you want to grab, and we'll win.
To have hardworking, good employees, that's what's required.
It's a very stable organization.
In all those years, they have never laid off one person.
Even when the economy goes down, they're still trucking right along.
There's 2 things, the world's always going to need, and that's medicine and food.
Everybody needs to eat, so
there's always going to be Red Gold.
Red Gold is a great employer because of the people.
It's a great work environment.
We call it the Red Gold family.
My parents have worked for Red Gold. My husband and I work for Red Gold, and our son just started at Red Gold.
It really is nice to just be part of a family.
Being able to have the relationship with ownership, seeing them in the factories.
To me, that says a lot.
It creates an awesome learning environment.
I think without that interaction, you wouldn't have the kind of success that we've had.
It's got that small family-owned feeling to it, but it's not really small anymore.
We've grown into the largest privately held tomato manufacturer now in the world.
We may be in a small town in Indiana, but we cover the world.
I believe that Red Gold is such a great employer because of the way they treat their employees.
They offer competitive pay,
great benefits, and long-term planning for retirement.
It's a healthy, safe work environment,
as well as the opportunity to grow within the company.
Starting at the plant level and moving upward.
I've seen a lot of individuals who have started off the floor becomes part of the management.
Employees that have gained their associate's or bachelor's degree right here while they're working full-time at Red Gold.
Red Gold's the type of place that you can get a great job and turn it into a great career.
Our employees aren't messing around.
We're constantly trying to become better.
I think that's sort of the DNA of a Red Gold employee.
There's a team effort.
And there's a great sense of ownership.
It's a culture that we're working hard to develop.
Red Gold's really great at continuous improvement.
They constantly reinvest in the company.
Red Gold is committed to having state-of-the-art technology. We've been able to look really all over the world to see what the best of the best is.
There's 3 manufacturing facilities. There's a distribution center, there's a trucking company, and of course the corporate office.
We have 2.8 million square feet of warehouse space. That's like 49 football fields.
We have 26 production lines and 13 labeling lines. We're always busy and the lines are always humming.
It's actually amazing to see what we produce. And it's so fun to take the kids on vacation, and when they see a bottle of ketchup made by Red Gold, we have to take a selfie with it because Mommy made that bottle of ketchup.
I'll go to the grocery store. I won't even be shopping. I'll just go into the grocery store just to look at the sets and see.
Made me wanted to slide everything Red Gold to the front.
Because I'm proud of what goes in the can. I'm invested in what goes in the can.
The only reason I go to stores now is to see our product.
We are a part of the environment. We know that in order to have a tomorrow, we have to take care of it today.
We're committed to being as sustainable as possible. We're always shooting for 0 landfill.
It's just been natural to be oriented to sustainability without any fanfare. We just sort of take to it.
We've looked through our process and tried to get every single piece of waste out.
We're stewards of the environment and stewards of the community.
We're very involved with the community.
It's nice to know that you work for a company that cares about other people and not just for themselves.
Because here at Red Gold, we are blessed, and we do not mind sharing it with others.
At Red Gold, we have the vision and the great people, and that has helped set us apart from the competition.
It's nice to know that you're on a winning team.
It feels good to wear the jersey.
And we want to bring something special to the table.
We strive to produce the freshest, best tasting tomato products in the world.
And we do exactly that.
We hire good people.
I think we're made up of a really diverse workforce here now.
It's a team atmosphere.
You're always willing to help the next person now they need help.
We hold each other up.
It's a place that the more you put into it, the more you get out of it.
I'm excited to help to achieve our mission.
To produce the freshest, best tasting tomato products in the world.
but you can't do it unless you have, the best employees.
If you're smart, passionate, have lots of energy, buckle up.
You have a chance to be a part of a winning team.
We're not going to find people out in the community that know how to can tomatoes. We own that technical training. So what we're looking for is the stuff you can't teach. We're looking for integrity, we're looking for honesty, we're looking for hard work.
You want to be engaged, you want to make a difference, you want to represent the best tomato products in the world.
We're looking for the best talent to join this team.
Look, you got to check this out. This is a special place.
You will be challenged every day, year after year.
If you come to Red Gold to work, they're going to take care of you.
You'll be part of a tight-knit family that cares for you and wants to promote you.
You can't find that everywhere.
Healthcare benefits,
Opportunities for promotion,
retirement plans,
education and tuition reimbursement,
job security.
lots of training programs.
Red Gold has all of those.
I think it'd be great for you to come and be a part of our team. We have a jersey for you.
We want the best. If you think you're one of the best, then we'd like to have you. If you're serious about what you do and you really want to find a place where you can make a mark, then this is definitely the place for you.